I'm about to redo a lock, combine a lock. I think it's over here. It's real tiny. Yep. I don't know. Let's see, y'all. So, just feel like they super tiny, y'all. Versus like, see? So, I'm going to unravel the twist. Unravel this one. As much as I can. Guess that's it. That's all I can do. So I'll be combining this. Okay, now I'm always missing something. Hold on. All right. I'm gonna twist those and then twist this. So if I just let it go, this is what it's looking like. Go twist it a little more. Run a little bit of this down it, just so it don't unravel, hopefully. And then I'm going to take any clip, Kalila, find any clip. Golly. It's all these big ones. Here we go. Then for the time being, just go connect it to another one. All right. That's it for the night.